Hello everyone, welcome to episode 18 of the Web Element series. Today we are going to learn how to create this glow icon effect. As you can see, when I hover on it, it starts glowing and loses its color. Like, it isn't a complex one, but the thing you should learn from this video specifically is how to use ready-made icons from the internet. So let's begin. I'll begin with creating a folder which I'll name episode 18. Then you know what accompanies index18.html and not this. The second comes style 18.css. So let's close the sidebar and we'll just give it another place. So let's begin with the boilerplate, obviously. Now, first of all, I'll give a link for our CSS file, which is style18.css. Now we need to give another link here. You would be wondering why another link. The thing is, we would be getting icons from a website called Font Awesome. I'll just open it. Yeah, this is the website. And to import icons from them, you need to use something known as CDN, which I have also opened in the website. They are simply libraries specifically created to create a bridge between your computer and the place where, like, to the server of that particular website. So you can see that how many how many icons they are containing. You need not go to getting started because it isn't that difficult. Like, you can simply go on these and find your icons. Wait, even I forgot how I did it. So all you need to do is go to icons here. Now it depends on what kind of icon you need, like coding, medical health, etc. Like, there are so many options. I went for coding as much as I remember. No, I went for social, but you can also go for coding or any. So we can get any icon from here, but first we need to add the CDN. So I'll just copy the URL, write here link, and just paste it. Okay, now I'll save it. Now I'll create a div. So div dot image container, and then I'll create another div which I'll name, like, let me think of a name which is good. So let's name it glow, because at the end it would be glowing only. So glow sounds like a good name. Okay, I'll give two names here, icon and glow. Now what we have to do is just select any icon from here. Like, first of all, I would suggest you to find an option such as this for free icons. Like, you are practicing, so you need not use any paid icon. Like, we can use this shield halved, or we can even use this one, shield. So simply click here and it would get copied to your clipboard and just paste it here. So when I save it, like, I can go back to and refresh, and now I can search for episode 18, which is this index18.html, and you can see there is a small shield there. Now we should bring it in the center. I'll first do this. So that's it for the HTML. We need not need anymore. So now for the CSS, first of all, you know what comes. Body. I would give it a background color. of, you can say, I'll give it a background color black. Okay, next comes display flex. And now justify content, center. Now I'll give height. You can even write minimum height or maximum height, but I prefer to write simply height. And align items, center. Let's save it. You can't see the icon, just wait a bit and you will see it. Now the thing is, we also need to increase the size of that icon. And it isn't like an image or something that you can simply go ahead and increase it. You have to use font size there. I know it sounds weird that we are using font properties on our icon, but it is how it works in HTML. So, but I'll still first give some properties to our icon container or image container. Why did I write image? I should have gone with icon. Let's save it. And now we need to write icon container. And we need not do much. So we'll just write text align, center. Like we have alternative for it, and the alternative would have simply been use that display flex, justify content center, align item center. But this is smaller. And the smaller the code, the better it is. According to me, like it is a necessary statement. So I'll also give it a color, like red color would look good. So FF 4 times 0. Let's save it. And now you can see a small shield there. Now I'll also give it text shadow none. So none text shadow. And we'll also give it a transition. So transition would be like I'll give all 1 second, and as always ease in out. Wait, I got a little bit confused. I had to write it for glue. So for icon, all we have to do is first of all give it display, and then we have to write inline block. It is so that there is a proper space for our icon without any problem. Then I would be giving it obviously some sizes needed, like that small shield doesn't even look good. So I'll give it a font size. I'll give it 200 pixels and save it. Now you can see how big it is. We can go even further, like 400. I don't know why, but I'm really impressed by the animation that is by default added by the live server. Like when we refresh, okay, sorry, just refresh it, or you don't even need to refresh it, just increase the size and save it, and it just appears in such a good manner. Now obviously the last thing we need to do is add some keyframes, and the keyframes, wait, keyframes aren't needed right now. Like I was previously planning to add an animation, which I may do in the video right now, but for now you would be going with hover property. So icon container hover dot glow. Okay, so now we'll change its color to black, as I showed you in the previous animation, like in the beginning, that user icon. Now we'll give text shadow. Text shadow would be simply to show some glow. So 0, 0, 10 pixels, and I'll give it a glow of obviously red color. Now 0, 0, 20 pixels, again red color. Like we can go as far as we want. Like I would for now use only it 3 times. So when we hover on it, you can see there is a little bit glow. Like let me decrease the size. Like with this enormous size, it doesn't look that good. So let me go to 400 pixels, save it. Like we can go further. I'll simply copy and paste it. So copy it, comma, paste. But the thing is, we'll change this 10 to 40. No, not this way. 40, and then the 20 will turn to 50, and the 30 will turn to 60. So when we save it, now if we hover on it, that shadow goes even further and looks more like a glow. And it isn't necessary to use only one. Like we can use multiple icons. Like let me decrease the size first so that multiple icons look good together. So I'll just simply copy and paste this, or maybe we can okay, I'll still paste it. Copy, paste. All I'll do is change the icon. So we have to, I'll just simply select it, not even delete it. We'll simply replace it later on. So what else could we use? This looks good, so I'll take its code, paste, save. Now if we see it, it has the same property and it looks good, as it looks like a little bit hacker type, which is supposed to be cool. So I'll also give it some margin. 20 pixels would be enough. And you can see now there is a little bit difference between them. Okay, now we can use as many icons as we want. There is no limit to it. So let's go for 2 more. So which one would look good? Like let's take the terminal, copy it, and I would simply go, okay, never mind. I was thinking of adding all the icons to that same div only, but I just thought it would be a little bit problematic, which I won't like. So I'll simply select this, again paste, save it, and now I have 3. The terminal has also joined. And further, as I wanted to do one more, let's do one. A bug will also look good. So first I'll copy paste it. So copy, paste. Wait. Yeah. Now let's copy this and now paste it, save it, and here they are. So let's go to full screen now. As you can see, they are working in a good condition. And we can even further go with the glow. Wait. By mistake, click to close it. Ow. I'll just take it till 30. So copy it. Now go to the end. Paste it. And now the value we need are here 70, 80 and 90. Let's save it and let's watch it for one last time. And yeah, the glow is looking even better. And we can go with multiple colors, which will obviously make it look even better. Like now I'll increase the size maybe to a 300 value. So 300. And here also I'll increase it to 40. Wait, I didn't save it. I did. And the size is looking bigger. Let me refresh it. Reload. Okay, live server closed. Let me restart it. So again, episode 18, HTML, and yeah, they are looking good. So this is how you can use icons and also make them glow. Like these are mostly used properties when you are creating those social, such as adding Instagram ID and you want to add a logo that shows some effect on hover. This is mostly used at that time and in portfolio specifically. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.